You will do it. Urdu.
You will say that Urdu is better language than English.
Yes, sir.
And you will say
That
English is better
English
than
is
Urdu.
better.
Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so one by one talk, please.
First,
Okay.
if you don't like you like English, but you are supporting to Urdu, then if you are this time why speaking English?
Then you are why speaking outside Urdu, then Pakistan, there why you are speaking Urdu, speaking English, go England.
But you
speak outside Punjabi
then we are outside this time why you are speaking English? This time.
This is why you are
Then
telling
this time-
that story.
This time
In
then I
English.
speak Urdu now. This time.
And Sir said to me that speak English, then I speak in the Urdu story this time, and
Why
when,
then you are why saying that I like Urdu?
I like
then you will go
that
any
speak
shop,
story and-
then you will go any shop, then you will say to them, give to me two aunties, then he will what need, he don't know English, and he say that tell in Urdu.
We will say
shopkeeper,
we will say in
Yes,
Punjabi.
sir.
Punjabi to
Punjabi, no, but Punjabi, he will Urdu man, then he will Punjabi also.
We will do Punjabi now. You are saying Urdu. Your topic is Urdu, not Punjabi.
Yes, then go why you are reading in English school. Go
Ah.
in Uswa.
Then fine, why you are still leading here?
We are the English supporter. You are
Yes,
Urdu
sir.
supporter.
When you want to go in that Iran and that country, then you are speaking their Arabi. Now Arabi is like Urdu, and
We want to
not
go.
going.
We will not go. We will go in there. Not. I will go Americas. I will go England. I will go Dubai.
Iran,
Yes.
people,
Yes.
they don't know Urdu. There we have to speak Persian.
Yes.
yes,
Farsi.
Arabi.
Arabic. They also
No,
know.
Persian, Farsi.
Yes.
Persian.
And in Iraq, there is Arabic language.
Arabic. Yes. First time, father was also there.
For job, which language is important?
For
Urdu
job-
or English?
English.
For you,
Yeah, that which language English is important.
For job.
you have to say Urdu is important.
Urdu is important for job, but then when you are going in that same job in any city, then you want to speak their Urdu, they can't listen their English word, and they are all speaking in Urdu. And in dramas which happening, then they are all speaking Urdu, not they are speaking Punjabi and English.
Okay. Big weapon you want to become.
I want to become cricketer.
When you will go in stadium, then you will go.
Speak Urdu.
Then
you will
we can speak Urdu. We can speak Urdu.
When you will go Australia, their matches are there, sir. England, their matches are there. Dubai stadium matches are there. Then you will what speak.
We'll speak Urdu. They are saying anything. Speak. I will speak Urdu there.
Not when you will. Then you will start to washroom that I want to go in bathroom. Then they all will start that he player not know what is English. We will start restroom and then he is saying why you want to go in bathroom. That is what will happen.
Then I will first do at home washroom, and then I go
I
there.
also said what.
You'll do washroom in Pakistan.
Yes, then I will go there. Then I will match play and come.
You will 7 hours or 24 hours you will inside your washroom.
Inside your pepper pot.
Love Then I will say to them where is washroom. Then more people are sitting there. They can speak Urdu, and I will ask from them that where is washroom. Then they will tell me. I will go
Washroom,
there.
not you will say, not the restroom. You will
Restroom, nothing happening. Restroom,
They will say that which cricketer is calm. Don't English also. Very good cricketer they will say.
Then what Rinku Singh is there, which India, he can speak English also, and he know Urdu.
But he not speak in English na. But he when a commentator speak English na. Then he answer give in Urdu. Then he know English that he answer to give English. Commentators know, but he that English. What is English? That all
That
words.
commentator is
Words
in
he
English.
know. Words he know that. Then
You
what?
can understand.
Yes, he
Yes.
can
But you can't
understand.
speak in English.
Yes.
That first word commentator is speaking that English, and then Rinku Singh is giving answer in that Urdu, and then also commentator is speaking in Urdu with him. So that is what Urdu is very important from us. Then go in any other country while you're sitting in Urdu country. Then Pakistan, not your England.
No, Pakistan. You that don't know Pakistan also very much English.
Which English is there? only 10% speaking English of Pakistan, and more 90% over there they are speaking.
Then you will not become like that. You will not become a cricketer. You
Fine, I'll
become.
not become.
You go on road and take one and the dustbin or the tokra and said in Punjabi said that give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that.
I'm not like you. You want to become like that. And you both want to
I
become.
want to become cricketer. That's why I'm supporting to English. He want to supporting to Urdu now.
So that when you want to go in any other school this time, any other school you want to go, then they want you want to speak now Urdu. Then why you are speaking their Urdu? Tell na.
And that they're only
Go on APS English.
English, not APS or English speaking.
Yes.
Okay, it's up to you, man. You can.
From all Jamra, from all Pakistan, only one English school is not more. Also very much. That is it not now.
Yes.
Very much are there. You are this way saying now.
Then when you are speaking home, when you are going, then you are speaking Urdu, not with mother, father.
And and when you are going outside and you are with here in school coming, you are with all teachers, sir, all speaking English. Why?
Because at an English school, I speaking here English, and also I'm speaking
Okay.
English.
This time why speaking then speak now Urdu.
Why I speak Urdu? Why I speak Urdu? That English
Speak
school, why I
Urdu.
speak
Sir,
Urdu?
is Urdu is better than you should speak this time Urdu. Why speaking English?
Why I speaking English? You whatever with me. I am speaking Urdu this time. When you will go outside, then you will speak Urdu, not with them. Then I'll tell to Sir that
We will
that is
speak
after.
Punjabi.
You will
Yes,
speak
sir.
Punjabi. Then why you speak Punjabi? Punjabi is also in Urdu. Tell Sir.
Not Punjabi. Punjabi is another and Urdu is another. Tell.
More countries is also there that they are speaking Urdu only. That England, Australia, there are some countries there we are speaking
Are they?
English.
Okay, you are from all easy subject is which?
My English.
Then English.
And then why you are
Then why you are speaking English?
Then English is my favorite subject. We are reading on English only.
Okay.
We cannot speak Urdu. When you are speaking, when you are reading Urdu in the
English
book.
and science and these all books are written in English. That
Yes.
And Islamiyat, Holy Quran, and that Urdu
Holy
book.
Quran book is in
and Holy Quran is written in Arabic, not in Urdu.
Yes.
And our from all difficult subject is Urdu and Islamiyat.
Difficult subject, Urdu and Islamiyat.
Yes, and from all
All easy math.
The math is also written in Urdu when you are speaking.
no,
English
math questions are written in English.
English. Yes.
Okay.
And when you are going in a shop and when you are saying to Sir Saklana, I want to take toothbrush. Not usual. That said, Burshi, I want to take. You will say, I want to take toothbrush.
Yes.
Then I will say that I want to take the toothbrushy. That will take.
And they will say that is what. And then you will.
When you are saying that Razan ko mujhe ek rumal de de, then there you are speaking Urdu.
Handkerchief.
Handkerchief is the glass word. Take that handkerchief what application.
Sir Saklana is principal of Uswa.
Then he word it FSC and ECS.
You know all that. What is that? And you will say,
He's
then
an Italian man.
yes, sir. When you will
Yes, sir. I am saying to him that give to me black socks. Then he's saying I don't have black. I have kali socks.
He's funny. He's just kidding.
He is just funny with us.
Yes.
Yes.
He's very funny
He's very intelligent.
Yes, sir.
and funny.
The most intelligent man of Jamra.
Sir Saklan.
Oh,
Like you also.
yes, because he's my uncle. So
He's your uncle?
I'm copying him. Okay.
And no,
No, it is enough.
Yes,
If
sir.
you want to add
No, sir.
another
No,
good
sir.
discussion.
Yes, no, sir. Very long happened.
It was a good discussion.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
It was a good discussion.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.